Welcome back, online money makers. What if I told you that you can get paid to watch YouTube videos and that you can do so from anywhere across the globe, and importantly you can do so for free? Now the first thing you are going to do to make money watching videos on YouTube is to go over to YouTube and start watching a video that are on topics related to mystery, news, facts, psychology and anything related to these topics that I just mentioned you. So here are some examples of channels that have videos like this that you will be able to watch to start process of money making. To start this process to making money watching YouTube videos, now you're going to copy the link and you're going to hop over to the website and you're going to paste the link that you got from YouTube into this other website and you're going to press enter. This website is called youtubetranscript.com. As you can see here, with YouTube transcript you will be able to convert videos into actual text. Now the video is converted to an article. Next step is to rewrite the article. You can either use Spellbot, Quillbot or even ChatGPT to rewrite the article. You can use any one of your choice. Now this particular website will actually rewrite the entire article into a new article that I would say is a little bit more optimized. Once again, you are going to copy this full article and you are going to put it in your Google Doc. Let's continue. Now you have your optimized article in Google Docs. You are going to go to the website. This website will pay you $380 per 1,000 views for the articles that you are copying from your Google Docs and uploading on this particular platform. You are going to upload your article to Vocal Media. So basically, if you are able to get people to view your articles, you will be able to make $38 for that article. Now, as I said earlier, I tested this because I wanted to see how lucrative it is as a side hustle. Just post 10 articles per day on the website by following the process I just mentioned you. You can easily make $300 to $500 per month through this strategy as a side hustle. So the bottom line is, the more videos you watch, the more articles you create, the more money you will make. You will be able to make on Vocal Media. If you are a paid member, instead of $3.80 that you make per 1,000 views for an article, you are actually going to make $6 for the same 1,000 views. And the subscription for Vocal Media is either $9.99, and if you are paying per month, or $99 if you are paying for the year. Again, it's optional because this side hustle is free. If you are comfortable with making $3.80 versus $6 per 1,000 views, now you're thinking about copyright issues, but you remember that step where we kind of rewrite the article. That's only to avoid those issues. So I hope you found this useful, and if you did, remember to like the video, to join our family by subscribing. See you in the next video.